Hey friends, if you wish to fix slow access to network drives on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you to the resolution. The resolution is from the registry editor. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open the registry editor window. Now in the left pane, okay, you can scroll in the left pane. I'll show you how. Go to this path, HKey local machine, current control set, services, LAN man workstation and parameters. Here's LAN man workstation, here's parameters, and I'll show you by scrolling where all we scrolled. Okay, in the right pane we will create an entry, a dword 32-bit entry named directory cache lifetime. Easy to remember, directory cache lifetime. Right click, new, dword 32-bit value, directory cache lifetime. Double click on it and ensure that the value data is 0. Click on OK, and this will make your network drive super fast. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video so that we could investigate further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.